I mean, I think as engineers, we're really at the core of making the world a better place. We need more technologies and innovation to keep progressing what we're able to do. We use Altium. It's become our tool of choice for electronics. We don't see moving from that for electronics design, and we tried quite early on to establish systems and processes that would enable the team to work as efficiently as possible. We can see what we call the mothership of the system, which climbs through, the steep hills of grain. My name is Lorenzo Conti. I run a startup called Crover. We have developed the world's first device able to move through bulk solids and powders, anything from sand dunes to grains stored in large quantities like in silos and sheds.
Sustainability and avoiding food losses for everyone matters a lot. Our very complex agri-food system is very susceptible to disruptions.
And we primarily help grain storage operators maintain the quality of their stock.
I don't remember if you need to remove everything, but you can try it. It should be fairly easy.
At the early stage of a startup like ours, the most valuable currency is time. Having tools that can get you to the end goal faster, that can ease collaboration across the team is essential. Altium became the tool of choice, as really the industry standard that just radically changed the way we design boards and got us to the point where we could do electronics design at an industrial level.
In the past, we'd have a more slow process of everything being quite isolated, so electrical teams had their software, mechanicals work in their own region. Sort of clumsy, quite slow process, so now with the advent of 365, it makes the whole process a lot more streamlined. Everyone's working in the same sort of sphere.
Once the boards have been finished and we're happy with them, we then pass the CAD file onto James so he can start kind of modelling. I guess that's the main way that we collaborate.
Yeah. It's only travelling a short distance, but it is very smooth that it can come through Altium. Motor 1, then along this edge.
On a 365, there's the BOM tab. Just all of the components that are used in the boards that Igor's designed are there. We've got all the information, all the data sheets, and it's definitely reduced the amount of time that I spend sourcing components, and also it reduces the amount of time Lorenzo spends ordering components as well, just because there's a feature to go to one supplier, put everything in a basket and then send it away. Well, to be honest, I think Altium does 90% of that now. It's super streamlined and super simple.
And it means that the transition between doing the production from the prototype can happen a lot smoother and just a lot quicker.
I believe Altium is the best software for engineers with different specializations. Mechanical, electronical, electrical engineers can work on the different stages of whole design process.
Definitely recommend it to other people to use it. It's just the industry standard, and I think it's just a no-brainer.
Seamless, it's the best word for describing this, maybe.